Initially shown here in kids sizes, an adult release is also anticipated. Beginning with a neutral foundation, the new design has a soft cave stone suede upper, oil gray nubuck overlays, and breathable mesh paneling at the midfoot. The embellishments take a wild turn, but the foundation maintains everything anchored. While a vibrant dark sulphur sock liner adds contrast and flair, Viotech purple gives the heel wrap and tongue branding vitality. The Jordan MVP 92 is a hybrid low-top sneaker that honors the Air Jordan 7 while reimagining essential design components for a more modern appearance. The original neoprene bootie is replaced with a classic flight branded tongue, and the model is given a unique voice by a Nike Air heel counter that was taken from another Jumpman shoe. This autumn, the Jordan MVP 92 Viotech will go on sale for $140 on Nike.com and at a few Jordan brand stores.